Hello, today we will be making Mexican quinoa salad. This is a super easy and nutritious meal, so let's get started. We will need 1 cup of quinoa uncooked with 2 cups of water, 1 15-ounce can of black beans rinsed and drained, and 1 15-ounce can of sweet corn rinsed and drained, 1 pint of cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 of a large red onion chopped, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of lime juice, half a teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika. Bring the water and quinoa to boil on high heat. The heat transfer shown here is conduction and convection. Conduction is transferring heat through a direct contact with a hot surface. When boiling this pot of water in quinoa, the heat transfers from the stove to the pot. The warm pot then heats up the water molecules. This leads to convection. Convection is the transfer of heat through the movement of gas or liquid. The hot water rises and the cool water sinks, which creates a circular motion. The quinoa is cooked in the convection currents formed in the water. When the water has come to a boil, cover the lid and let it simmer over low heat until all of the water is absorbed. The process of gelatinization is occurring here when the quinoa is boiled and heated in water. The hydrogen bonds between the starch molecules break while new hydrogens are bonded between water molecules. This is what causes more separation of the starches and softening of the quinoa. When cooling food, it is important to make sure that the food is being cooled to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours and then to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within 4 hours. This is important to prevent foodborne illnesses because leaving food in the temperature danger zone for too long increases that risk. Here, I took the cooked quinoa and placed it into 2 Tupperware containers so that it will be less thick to cool it faster. I even went an extra step and placed them into an ice bath to cool the quinoa quicker. You never want to place a large amount of hot food into a cooler or refrigerator because they will not cool the food quickly enough in order to get out of the temperature danger zone. Now let's assemble the salad. Add the black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, and red onion to the chilled quinoa. Mix those ingredients now. To make the dressing, we will need the olive oil, the lime juice, the apple cider vinegar, the cilantro, the garlic salt, the paprika and chili powder, the honey, and then we're going to stir it all together. Lastly, just pour the dressing all over the salad and mix thoroughly.